Yep. Just like that. One day it's nice. Yeah, it's that crazy thing when the wind started running. Now, ice is getting cold again. Yeah, it's coming back. Guess who's busy? Yeah, it's coming down. I got my face covered. That's what I should have done. Slidey, slidey. Again. It's not even slidey, spidey. You that wind holding? That gotta be some 55-mile wind rushing through. But we're in the city, so with all these houses, you don't get it that much. So that's where the howling comes from. Okay, picks up, it's blowing. It is forming. So yeah, we're heading into one of my places that I love to shop. The public market. See? Face is really cold. I should have, would have. Get my stuff. Yes. Whew, now I can feel I'm freezing that open. Oh gosh. So I'm gonna have to put my phone down because I'm about to get me some stuff. And I can't operate this in the cold and shift. So, yep. There goes a breeze staring through the open. Literally feel it. But public market is public marketing. It's a lot of people. Everybody Hamburgers all in.